Hey guys, Sachin here. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to review OmniBlaster by Victory. Now OmniBlaster is releasing tomorrow on 13th of July at 11 a.m. EST, so we are straight onto the JB page. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be sharing with you the members area of OmniBlaster, and I'm going to be sharing with you the software demo of OmniBlaster. I'm going to be sharing with you the pricing point of the front end, as well as what are the OTOs, upgrades or upsells of OmniBlaster, whatever you want to say. And I'm going to be explaining what are the features inside each of those OTOs and the pricing point of each of those OTOs, which are the OTOs which I would recommend right now, and which are the OTOs which I would say you can skip it or it's not even worth to get it. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about that stuff. The bonus which I'm going to be giving you with OmniBlaster is something that a lot of people are struggling, and that is over 100 plus email swipes, which I'm going to be giving you if you decide to pick up OmniBlaster through the link right below this video. And trust me, you want to see, I'm going to be sharing with you some of the email swipes, but trust me, these are the same swipes which I'm using in my online business, and you can see the results that I'm getting with these swipes. You can see the tracking code, the sales that I'm getting from emails, all right? And I can share the recent one. Okay, you can see the tracking code email and look at the sales amount. Okay, and this is the 21st of June. Okay, so this is something which is working for me right now, and I'm going to be sharing with you the same email swipes. I'm going to be giving you the same, there are like 100 plus email swipes which I'm going to be giving you if you decide to pick up OmniBlaster through the link right below this video. Now, why email swipes? Because it's kind of like a email autoresponder or an SMS autoresponder or a voice mailer, we can say, the OmniBlaster, which I'm going to be talking about now. And that is why I thought a lot of people are struggling to what to write when sending out email. That is the main problem which people are facing, that how can I send out email, what should I write, what should be the subject line. So that is why I thought, let me give you email swipes as a bonus so that it can help you with OmniBlaster. All right, so let's see what is basically OmniBlaster. It's a software which is a combination of three more powerful tools, which is sending out email, sending out SMS, and also sending out voice broadcasting. So you can also send out some recordings from the software itself. Okay, so let's see the software demo to see exactly how OmniBlaster works.
Hey, have you ever wanted to eliminate 97% distractions from your target audience to allow your entire marketing messages to get the expected return upon investment? If that's a concern, presenting OmniBlaster, driving 3 times more sales using the combined power of email, SMS, and voice broadcasting inside a single push button platform. Here again is OmniBlaster in action. Once you get on OmniBlaster platform, you get to see the settings where you configure for your email, configure for your SMS, configure for your voice, and of course configure your SMS length. And you can also get to see the section where you can broadcast your email as well as your SMS and your voice messages, all 3 in one capabilities right inside of OmniBlaster. And you can also see section where you can start a new campaign, manage campaigns, and of course copy your embed code to have your opt-in squeeze pages right at any website. You can also manage new lists and also create new lists right inside of OmniBlaster. So first things first, let's quickly go hit on configure email to get our first email sending channel set up, and we'll do same for orders. If you don't get to your email here, all you need to do is select, and you have your SMTP1 slot. We have this right down to 5 SMTP slot. So we'll have to fill these entire parameters and come hit on set default after you've successfully saved changes. So let's do that. So I just set my required parameters, and at this point I could just come say set default. Once I do so, we've successfully set as default. So we'll now move over to set up our voice as well as our SMS parameter. So at this point, I've successfully set all parameters and set it to default. So I need to come back to my dashboard. At my dashboard, I'll come here and we see how you can, of course, send a broadcast email. For you to successfully send a broadcast email, all you need to do compose a message like we will do straight up. So once you go format in your details like this for your mail, you can then go ahead and insert your parameters. You could have the name there, or you could just put the name of whatever you're promoting and have your emails typed out like this. Or you could come at this point, you already created the list using our list creator system here. You can then come hit an add list, and it's going to show you several lists you can select from. You can just come over here, select a list, and if you just want to upload it for the purpose of a message you want to send, you can quickly use this. Comment below, you have our email, our editor builder system here that allows you to build very cool messages you want to send out to your target audience. And of course, you can send a message instantly, or you can choose to schedule it at a much later time that you want to push it out, or you can just send it instant. And once you hit on send email, so right at your log, you get to see a message, and when you switch on to your message, can you see this? Boom, here it is inside of your inbox. You have just write the message that has been sent right from your OmniBlaster email capability. So that again will bring us to our sending your SMS blast. And once you hit on send, that will take us to it's all you need to do, set your sender. So our sender here could also be called OmniBlaster. This should always be 11 characters, or you have something like muscles. Here like way, and you have the message typed up like this. All you need to do is to type in your phone number. So you can have a message format, and if you do have a list, you can always come select the list you want to send to. Select a list there, you have one, and if you add it up, or if you just want to select from our message list you have, you could upload your list right away. You can also schedule your blast and use an instant or schedule option, which allows you to set a specific date. But for the purpose of this, we'll use an instant, and we'll just come here and hit on send message. So you have it successful, monitor the status from your. So right on screen we have the mobile phone showing here, and you can see our message hidden right inside of the mobile phone. So this does distract your target audience, and they can see your marketing messages. Now let's go over to see the same excitement we get when we want to send voice broadcasts. So coming over and hitting send voice. So right on voice broadcast interface, the whole interesting magic steps with you bringing in your MP3 URL or uploading an MP3 message you already have. So I have one selected here, and just hit open and wait for it to fully get uploaded, and you sit down. Please. And once you're done doing so, you can just hit on send message. The right hand point, can you hear the call coming? Can you see the call right away? So then at this point, I can just go ahead to click to answer this, and this stops all kind of distraction, pushes the target audience to listen to your message, and pop, the magic happens. So you can go ahead to answer the message at that point. So that's it with sending our voice messages. So let's get over to stop this at this point. Interesting aspect of OmniBlaster, which has to do with creating campaigns. So at this point, we hit on create campaign. So with create campaign, you can decide if you want to quickly set up a landing squeeze page for just an email campaign, which will now provide you an option to provide a full name as well as an email address, or you want to go ahead to add it with a mix of SMS as well as a voice. So imagine of setting a campaign that goes across sending an email, sending a voice message, as well as an SMS that stops all distraction from your target audience and allows them to listen to your message and take the needed action. So go ahead, set up all of these parameters, give this campaign a name, which will go appear at this point here. Okay, says just have messages like that. At this point, you use your call to action. So you have it, get involved now. And once you're done, you hit on setup campaign. So at this point, you can see your setup campaign. Your campaign only becomes operational once you hit to activate. But before activating your campaign, you're expected to add your follow-up series messages, which is your entire sequence messages, which cut across your email sequence, your voice sequence, as well as your SMS sequence. So at this point, you can then come to say you want to add an email sequence. At the email sequence, you could have email. If you've done setting that up, you hit on save message. Once you have it saved, you're definitely going to see it just under your email series. And if you come again to add your email sequence to hidden an email, we have so upon having your email sequence to body, if you come below here, you notice here you now have the interval at which you want your email sequence to go. Should it delay after 1 day? The engagement message goes that prepares the mind of your target audience so as to result to a sale. So come hit on save message. So you also have it all displayed right here. You see all your follow-up series. You can then come over to create your SMS series. So you have your SMS series setup. You hit on save message. So when you toggle your SMS series message, you're also going to find here. The same also applies on your second series. You can also now set the delay. Let's also go over to add our voice series. On your voice series, you're expected to add your MP3 URL, or you could come over and upload your MP3. So once you have that added, you hit on send message. So when you're fully done setting up your entire follow-up series, you can then come over to hit on manage. At this manage point, you can go ahead to hit on activate. That is only when your campaign will become active. And once it becomes active, you will see it clearly shown like this. Then you can also go to see the setup page, which you can go set up. This becomes a page that is now available to your public audience, which they can come in to fill in the name, the email address, and the phone number. And once they hit on get involved, the entire series which you've set up will start popping up. And at this point, you can also hit on the share button here to see all the shared channels that can allow you to tap into viral traffic that will allow you to build your list for email addresses as well as phone numbers of your target audience. That you can always retarget them to allow you bank pay. And it does not just stop there. Once you come over, so when we get over to a dashboard to assess our credit campaign, we can then have access to our embedded code. You can copy and paste on an already existing website to allow you to start grabbing leads. Right on the campaign, all you need to hit on embed codes. So once you copy this, you can go ahead and embed it on any of your existing website, and this will allow you to go building leads for email as well as for phone numbers that you can always remarket to. And that's really how powerful OmniBlaster is. So I want to get your support at the unveiling of OmniBlaster. Thank you.
Alright, so that was the software demo for OmniBlaster. I hope you have liked it. That the front-end pricing is going to be $29 for all the features you just saw. But if there's a discount coupon code from the vendor, I'm going to be putting it right below this video in the description. So before you go to the sales page, please make sure to check the description. If there's a discount coupon code, it's going to be in third line or maybe the fourth line. Okay, so please check out and apply that discount coupon code for OmniBlaster on the checkout page. So have a good deal. All right. Now, OT number one is going to be the unlimited version where it's going to be the $47 with unlimited email, SMS, voice campaigns, plus autoresponder, plus opt-in pages with shareable links that will suck in free traffic from social media networks. Okay. OT number two is going to be the done for you campaigns. In fact, 50 done for you campaigns with everything is ready to go for you for $67. And OT number three is going to be the agency license, which by which you can basically provide this as a services. Suppose there's a local client like a restaurant owner, you can provide this as a services for him to his clients. Okay, so if there is a restaurant, you can SMS his customer who are visiting his restaurant like having a good deal on the weekend, that kind of thing. So it's going to be good service that you can provide to your local clients, and you can basically charge them monthly or maybe one time. It's up to you. All right. So which other OTOs which I would recommend? Of course, the OTO number one, because it's going to be having unlimited access to all the features. Okay. OTO number two is, if it's really difficult for you to create a campaign, get it done with the expert. Okay, that is always, I would highly recommend. So if $67 is really tight for you, then you can skip it. Okay, agency license only you should be getting if you have a local client database. Okay, so if you can have if you are able to provide this the services, and if you have that kind of base, then only get the agency license. Okay, OTO number four is going to be the white label license, where you can sell this as your own. Okay, it's going to be $497, where you got all the rights to sell OmniBlaster as your own software. All right, so decide for yourself, but I would not recommend it right now. Okay, so what I would recommend is front end OTO number one and OTO number two if you are good to go with done for you solutions. All right, now coming to the bonus section, trust me, when you are into affiliate marketing, if you're sending out emails, trust me, it's going to be a lot more difficult for those people who are just getting started and they don't know how to get started. Okay, so if you see I got like 100 plus email swipes ready for you in every single what can sub niche you can say. So it's, if your offer is like this traffic offer, I got your good email swipes. If your offer is a plugin, I got it covered. If it's a simple make money online stuff, I got it covered. So there are all different type of niche sub niches emails that which are ready for in this package. All right, I'm going to be sharing with you. Let's see the simple make money online thing. So you can see over here, if I can make it a bit large. Okay, you can see over here. Okay, $100 a day YouTube without making a single video. It's very great. Swipe short and simple. All right. The next I can show you. Let's say the plugin. This is a plugin. It's plug does it all. It's amazing stuff, short and sweet. And trust me, my friend, it works really powerful. All right, best $5 you would ever spend. You can provide it the price that is with that offer over here. If it is $9, you could write best to $9 you would ever spend, that kind of thing. And these are getting some amazing open and click-through rates. Okay, let me share the ranking one. If you are using any ranking stuff, ranking software, Google pages number one in 4 hours, because this way it will really work well for you. All right. Then there are swipes for local client business also, instant offline clients, $50 to $200 per month, and it's kind of realistic numbers. Okay, you can see over here, your WP plugin churns are amazing sites. You can see. All right, so that is some of the examples of what I'm going to be giving you as a bonus. You can see all of these are make money online. It works really powerful. All right, so that is what I'm going to be giving you if you decided to pick up just the front end of OmniBlaster at $29. Even if you use the discount coupon code, if it's available, I'm going to be giving you the email swipes. Okay, so after you get the OmniBlaster at $29, please reach out to me on Facebook. My Facebook link is given below in the description. Message me there, and I'm going to be sending you the bonuses within 12 to 24 hours max. All right, so thank you so much for watching my OmniBlaster review video. Let me know how you like this video. If you like it, you can click the like button. If you didn't like it, just let me know what you didn't like so that I can improve myself in my next review video. All right, thank you so much, guys, and have a great day. Bye-bye.